Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your dream Shabby Chic retreat, all about roses and relaxation. Ever walked into a space that just feels like a warm, floral print hug? That's the magic of Shabby Chic. It's not about being perfect, it's about being perfectly cozy and charming. Imagine faded elegance, soft colors, and a story in every gently worn piece. Now let's weave in the ultimate romantic touch: rose and white floral wallpaper. This pattern is the heartbeat of our design plan, tying every room together with a whisper of vintage garden romance. Get ready to create a home that feels both effortlessly pretty and deeply personal. First impressions matter, so let's start outside. Picture a cottage-style facade painted in soft, chippy white or barely there gray. A weathered wooden bench sits by the front door, its cushions in a faded rose pink linen. Climbing roses, real or faux, frame the entryway echoing our floral theme. In the garden, mix lavender and white hydrangeas for that loose country feel. A vintage bird bath with a patina of age adds character. The goal is to make it look like this sweet house has been blooming here for 100 years. Step inside and the romance begins right away. Here's where we make a statement. Paper one wall in a delicate rose and white floral pattern. Keep the other walls a matte, warm white. A distressed console table in milk paint white holds a crystal lamp and a jug full of fresh peonies. A gilded, ornate mirror with a slightly tarnished finish hangs above to reflect light and the pretty paper. Toss a vintage, rose-hued runner on the floor. This tiny space now sets the entire tone. Honey, you're home. This is the heart of your cozy nest. Choose one focal wall behind the sofa for that gorgeous floral wallpaper. It instantly becomes your art. Slipcover your sofa in a durable, washable white or linen fabric. Then pile it with an avalanche of pillows in pink checks, white lace, and floral prints. A painted coffee table, showing gentle wear on its edges, holds stacked books and a ceramic vase. Soft, flowy curtains in sheer white filter the sunlight perfectly. Finally, add a time-worn armoire and a squishy armchair draped with a knitted throw. Welcome to your dreamy, cloud-like escape. Imagine the wall behind your bed adorned with a soft, sprawling rose pattern. Dress your bed in layers: a white quilted coverlet, a pink knitted throw, and crisp white linen sheets. Look for a wrought iron or whitewashed wooden bed frame for that essential cottage feel. On your nightstands, use mismatched porcelain lamps with fabric shades. A vintage vanity with a ruffled skirt adds a touch of boudoir glam. The air should feel serene, soft, and utterly restful here. This space is for slow meals and long conversations. A large farmhouse table with mismatched chairs, some painted white, some in pale pink, creates the ideal collected look. Consider a delicate rose-patterned paper on the upper half of the walls, with white wooden wainscoting below. Hang a crystal chandelier above the table for a touch of refined sparkle. Use a vintage china cabinet to display your prettiest plates and glassware. Top the table with a simple white runner, ironstone dishes, and a central pitcher bursting with garden roses. Shabby Chic loves a kitchen that looks lovingly used. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood is perfect for displaying white dishes and pink glassware. Keep cabinets painted in creamy white, and don't shy away from showing a little wear on the knobs. A small framed section of floral wallpaper behind the open shelves adds a sweet surprise. Use wire baskets for towels and fresh produce. Add a small round pine table with painted chairs for morning coffee. It's all about soft, functional charm here. Turn your bathroom into a vintage-inspired sanctuary. A rose-sprigged wallpaper paired with beadboard is a classic combo. Look for a freestanding clawfoot tub if you can. It's the ultimate shabby chic luxury. Drape a white shower curtain with eyelet embroidery on a curved rod. Use a repurposed dresser or table as your vanity, topped with a marble-look vessel sink. Stack fluffy white towels on a weathered ladder shelf. Finally, add candles, a little silver tray for soaps, and you've got a personal spa.